So we have one, this is huge, then we have a tiny cute 2, another huge one 3, and 4.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have been inconsistent, but I had my exams and I couldn't take out the time to shoot for my YouTube, so please, I'm sorry. I really want to thank all of you for watching my Freakins haul so much. I really got 7k views the last time I checked. I don't know, अभी भी मतलब लोग देख रहे हैं, so it's really exciting. Like some things when you don't expect and they happen, you're like you just dream about it and then it all of a sudden happens. It feels so unreal, but at the time it feels special. I don't know how to actually explain that feeling, but I feel really so special. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. बोलते I just forgot what to say. So thank you so much for watching and loving that video. And मेरे को ना बहुत बारी उस वीडियो के नीचे आया ऐसा कि ये ऐड है, ये ऐसा है, ऐसा है. नहीं, वो एडवर्टीजमेंट नहीं है. अगर होगा तो आई वुड ऑब्वियसली मेंटेन दैट ट्रांसपेरेंसी. मैंने वो खरीदी और मैं अभी भी दिखा सकती हूँ. मेरे पास वो मेरी अलमारी के अंदर ही पड़ी हैं. दोज आर माई पीसेज. आई बॉट देम and I gave you guys a very honest review about it. Right now I think we should start with this huge Ajio haul. Something happened, right? Anyways, so I think we should start with this huge Ajio haul, and this piece is also from them, so stay tuned for it. I really love this one and I can't wait to share this one specially. I've already kept this one. I've already done this. Although ये मेरे को लूज था थोड़ा सा, this is a size bigger, but मेरे अंदर हिम्मत नहीं हुई कि मैं इसको एक्सचेंज कराऊँ. I might get it exchanged. अभी भी इस पर टैग लगा हुआ है, मैंने इसको पहना नहीं है अभी, so I might get it exchanged, but we'll see what happens. So starting with the first, okay, I actually shopped from each and every different category to see the category, the quality and everything. Although I've shopped from Ajio पहले भी, but अब मैंने different categories try करी हैं, so let's see how the stuff is. So starting with the very happy and exciting piece of this whole haul, I have 2 of their footwear actually. This box is a little messy. ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे ही आया था ये box. I didn't do anything. So this one looks really nice, so let's open this one. So this footwear piece is from MFT Couture, and MFT की heels Ajio पे are actually good. There's this one pump that I've been really stocking and वो 1000 rupees के हैं. अगर वो सेल में 700, 800, 900 के होते मैं ख़रीद लेती. 1000 पैसे होता है यार, इतना तो फिर मैं ऑफलाइन ले ही लेती, तो फिर ऑनलाइन इतना मंगवाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो इसीलिए मैंने वो नहीं खरीदी. बट मैं वो भी मतलब आई एम रियली आइंग ऑन दैट वन, एंड अगर उसका प्राइस कम होता है मैं वो खरीद लूँगी. आई विल पुट द पिक्चर सो दैट यू गाइज कैन सी. इट अराइव्स सो अमेजिंग. आई हैव एक्चुअली सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल एंड बहुतों के आजियो हॉल्स में मैंने वो स्पेशली देखी है, सो आई रियली वांटेड टू बाय दैट वन. बट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस वन. आई स्पीक अ लॉट. So this is the piece of footwear that I got and this is so stunning. However मेरे को पता नहीं इस बारी ऑर्डर करते टाइम क्या हो गया था, मैंने 2-3 चीज़ों में अपना साइज़ बड़ा मंगवा लिया है. एंड इसमें क्लियरली 7.5 का फुट मेजरमेंट 24.5 दिया हुआ था, तो मुझे पता था मेरा 7.5 साइज़ है, बट मैंने 8.5 मंगा लिया. पता नहीं क्यों. इट्स 41 एंड मैं 39 फिट करती हूँ. सो एनीवेज दिस इज़ वेरी ह्यूज फॉर मी. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड एन एक्सचेंज फॉर दिस. ये आ जाएगी एक्सचेंज होके. अभी ये बड़ा वाला साइज़ ही है, बट आई स्टिल एडजस्ट द ट्राई ऑन पार्ट फॉर यू गाइज टू सी. एंड दिस वन इज़ एब्सोल्युटली गॉर्जियस. इट लुक्स सो स्टनिंग, सो क्लासी, एंड द शेप ऑफ दिस इज़ वेरी एलिगेंट. इट विल go with formals, it will go with Indian ethnic, and it will also look good with western. So it's a very versatile piece and it's really good. I really like it, especially with formals. It will look bomb. So the price of this one on sale was it was only for 689 rupees, and इसका original price है 1899 and now it's for 1044. But if you shop above 3490 you can still get it for 710 तो बहुत ही सही है. अगर 3000 की शॉपिंग करनी है तो you can actually get it. एंड मैंने 689 की ये खरीदी है, विच इज़ अ स्टील. आई वुड लिटरली से दैट इट्स अ स्टील. यू शुड एक्चुअली गेट इट. अगर दिस इज़ योर टेस्ट देन यू शुड एक्चुअली consider getting this one. However, इसमें एक और स्टाइल है जिसकी मैं पिक्चर ऑलरेडी इंसर्ट कर चुकी हूँ, वो वाला इससे ज़्यादा प्रिटी है, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली गेट दैट वन एज वेल. Okay, so the next piece of footwear is this one. This is from the brand Sneaker Peek. इसका box इतना अच्छा नहीं आया, but it's okay. And both of these brands are Ajio exclusive, so you can only find them on Ajio and nowhere else. So this is the piece, and just look at the toe shape of this one. It's square, and I really am a fan of square shapes. I really like this one. The heel is 3.5 inches if I'm not wrong, and it's a stunning piece. Stunning. I really love this one. I actually added this on my Instagram story, and there were so many queries कि ये कहाँ से link दे दो. So I actually have shared a link with a lot of people, but if you want to buy it, the link will be in the description, so you can actually go and buy it. The price of this one, my size is 39 if anyone is wondering, and if you want to buy, तो मेरा size 39 है. I got it for 665 rupees. Again, a steal, amazing quality according to the price. I never expected 660 में भी इतनी अच्छी heels मिल जाती है, वरना offline market में अगर you go and you see तो ऐसी heels are no less than 1400-1500 rupees. So it is definitely a steal, and its original price is 1799. Right now it's for 1007 rupees. So still a steal. You can actually get it, and it's amazing. So next is this shirt, and I had high expectations from this one, but this didn't turn out the way I expected it to be. Like in my head it was actually looking really beautiful, but then it didn't. Here's summer time now. Okay, so this is the printed shirt that I got, and I am not into prints, but when I saw this I actually ended up liking this print on the website, in the app. So this is the shirt. I mean, it is not bad, but it didn't look good on me, and it could have been better. Like the print could have been a little better. So yeah, I will not keep this one, and I will return this one. This is in my size only. It's an L size actually. ये size बड़ा मंगवाया मैंने. एक second में आपको बताती हूँ. So this I got for 639 rupees, जिसमें I could have got something really better and worth it. This is not worth 639 rupees, and now it's for 1000 rupees. Again, not worth it. So the next piece that we have is this, and I am not into culottes, but ये my mom actually loves polka dot, and she actually loves wearing culottes as well. They're super flowy and comfortable, so she will try this one, but try on me you'll obviously see me wearing this. So let's see. Alright, so I actually have tried all of these pieces before, that's why I am letting you know my complete review about them. वरना अगर try नहीं करे होता ना तो I can't really say how they actually look on me and if I will keep it or not. So मैंने इस बारी पहले try कर लिए थे. So these are super high waisted, and they come till your like below the knee they end, and they're a little see-through, but in super like bright lighting only. Not see-through, but a little, you know, transparent. Not too much, because black is always a savior. However, there are lighter colors as well, so if you go for a lighter color, beware of that thing. It has no lining inside, so you will have to beware of that thing. But yeah, they will look good, I hope, and I will adjust the try on part. I didn't like them on myself though. I didn't, but my mom might keep this one. Let's talk about this one first. So this is a jumpsuit. I have also seen this on Myntra and Instagram pe when I posted about this jumpsuit, like a picture in this one, because when I wore it I actually fell in love with it, and when I posted a picture there were so many queries for this one as well, and 2 people have already ordered the same piece in a different color, or maybe same color, I don't know, but 2 of my friends have actually ordered the same piece. So this one is really good. You can actually see it in the try on. I really like it, and the flowy thing of the pants is something I'm fan of. I always love these wide or straight fit like pants, like the trouser fit, and I really like this one. This is oversized but giving me the shape, but looking so glamorous and beautiful, and I really like it. Next piece, ASMR guys. Okay, so this is a kurta. It's A-lined and it has button from top till the end, and this one again looked very different on the website. Not so different, but the print actually looked good on the website, but I didn't ended up liking this one. Plus it doesn't look good on my body shape as well, so I will return this one as well. Oh, I forgot to tell you the prices of all of these things. I've told you the price of this one, the price of those culottes. Where are they? So the price of this is, oh, I have to again open. So the price of this is only 259 rupees. This one is for 735 rupees, and I ordered it in XL. I don't know why, but I did. Maybe it is out of stock इसलिए. So the price of this one is 536 rupees, and now it's for 486. मैंने महंगा खरीदा है. So the last two pieces, one is this halter neck sleeveless dress. So I expected this one to be a little thick as well, but this one shows everything you're wearing inside. So if that's something that bothers you, you might not get this one. And this is a beautiful piece. The color is beautiful. इसमें और भी colors थे, and this is from the brand Straightforward. So my size in this dress is M, and I got it for 535 rupees, and for 535 it's actually good. And the only complaint that I have is the material is really like transparent. इसको थोड़ा सा और अगर thick बना देते, मतलब I don't know if you can see it through camera or not, but बहुत पतला material है. अगर ये थोड़ा सा भी thick होता तो it would have looked better. And the last piece that we have is this lavender colored t-shirt. I really am a fan of lavender color these days, but I don't have so much of lavender. एंड इसका भी मुझे मटेरियल से प्रॉब्लम है. बस मटेरियल बहुत पतला आया है काफ़ी चीज़ों में. इसमें भी वो वेबसाइट पे थिक लग रहा था, बट इट डिडंट अपीयर एज थिक एज इट शुड हैव बिन. बट ये वाले से मुझे कंप्लेन है बिकॉज इट लुक्स गुड ऑन माई बॉडी. बट ये वाला मतलब ये मैंने आई गेस 730 रुपीज़ की खरीदी है. इट वॉज ओरिजिनली फॉर 999 एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 377 रुपीज़. अभी मैंने देखा तो शायद 730 था. 377 रुपीज़ एंड साइज़ है L. सो L मैंने एक्चुअली इंटेंशनली मंगाया, बट द मटेरियल इज़ अ लिटिल थिन. एंड टी शर्ट्स में आई डोंट नो इफ़ दैट लुक्स गुड ऑन और नॉट, बट अगर 377 में ये चीज़ ही मिलनी है तो इससे बढ़िया मैं 400-500 की ऑफलाइन टी शर्ट्स ले लूँ ऑफ absolutely amazing quality. So yeah, that was it that I purchased from Ajio's big bold fashion sale. And I also purchased from Myntra's EORS sale, end of reason sale. I have all of the packets over there, so if you want to see a Myntra haul, let me know, and I actually would make it, but let me know still, like let me just know if you are interested or not. And thank you so much for loving the Freakins haul video. I really thank you. Wanna thank you. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you would find something according to your taste and you would buy something. The links, the non-affiliated links to all of these items are below in the description box, and the link to my Instagram. There's also a giveaway running on my Instagram. You can get perfumes, you can also get some hair care duo, body care duo, and there's a lot of stuff, so you can actually participate in that giveaway. So it's running on my Instagram, and yeah, I would see you guys soon. Bye.